Hello my wonderful viewer, this is Ami channel and I'm going to show you how you can earn money online. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. That's Ami channel. Don't forget to subscribe, please, I beg you, because I've been searching on the hub to get something for you at the end of the day. So without wasting your time, let's get started. I'm going to show you how you can create your account and earn money. Please don't skip any part of the video because I'll be showing you how you can set up your payment method. So let's get started. The website that we are going to talk about today is n2mobile.com. n2mobile.com. As you can see, I'm typing n2mobile.com. So after that, I will show you how you can create your account with a very simple information that you provided. So with here you see username, email address, password, and confirm password. So I'm going to show you how you can create your account right away. So with creating your account, you can get $25 per account that you created. So without wasting time, you can see my username, my um my Gmail, and I'm going to provide my password as well. So I am providing the password, and then you need to confirm your password as well. So I'm going to confirm my password. As you can see there, I'm filling my password. I have done. You need to click on agree. So you can also sign up or create your account with Facebook account or Gmail account. You can see, or Google account, Google account. So I have already created an account, so I don't need to register now. What I need now is to sign in. So sign in rather. So I'm going to sign in and see how things are. So I'm going to provide with signing in. You need to provide your username and your password. So you can see Army channel provided there, and I'm going to provide my password as well. So after that, I click on sign in. So with sign in, as you can see, I'm doing it. So you see my account here. So this is the account. So as you can see, I have one referral. I have total income, that's the $90, and I have 20 clicks with my affiliate link. So with 30 survey and apps, so you can do all these tasks as you see on this particular video. So please don't skip any part of the video because I'm going to show you how you can set up your payments method too. So you can do all the tasks that you see here: refer friends, tags, get clicks, download app, complete surveys, and YouTube videos. As you can see, you can do your videos as well. So these are the popular people that have earned big. They have achieved their goal in this particular website. As you can see, they are worth there. So you can also share your link through Facebook, WhatsApp, and other social media activities or social media platforms, as you can see there. So with this platform, I'll be showing you how you can set up your payments method. So please do well to subscribe to this channel, and I'm going to help you find a simple and easy way to get money at the end of the day. So this is not you don't need to receive your payment at the end of the month. You can do well to receive your payments immediately after you finish your task and others, so you can withdraw your money without wasting your time for the next month. So as you can see here, I'm going to show you right away how you can set up your payment method. So let's get started. So I'm going to show you how you can set up your payment method. So please don't skip the any part of the video. So as you can see here, I have already set up my payment app method with the PayPal account, as you can see here. So I'm going to show you how you can do your you can set your payments method as well. Okay, so you see here, clicks 20, referral 10, tax 0, as you can see here. So um I have to do this and then provide it. So we are now on the payment method, as you can see here, my PayPal method. So you need to see how things are by terms and conditions. You need to read on the terms and conditions, cash out requirements. So you need to do a task before you can withdraw your money. So you can see the task cash out requirements. You need to read and understand before you do the task. After doing the task, you can withdraw your money anytime, anywhere that you want. So without wasting your time, I'll show you how you can set up your payment method. Setting your payment method, um as you can see here, you can do all these things. So with setting your payment method, you click on my account will give you the opportunity to set up your payment method. As you can see here, we have PayPal, check and Pizza. So you need to choose the one suitable, the one that you have the account, or the one that you can access. So as you can see, this is my PayPal email address that I have provided there, and I'm going to as you can see, I'm using it already. And you can also change your email and your password as well. So this is how we can set up our payment method for the day, so that we can withdraw our money. This is the overview. This is what I have got right away. This is very good website that you can earn a lot of money here. Please, as you can see, I have gained somebody just signed in under me, so you can see here. So I will get money from that person. So please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Army channel. We are there for you, and thank you very much for viewing this video. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like it.